lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Dibasi Messi in case you don't already know, and in today's video we're going to be installing this Kinky straight natural hair wig from I Like Hair. So first of all, I love the dust bag it came in. It's giving a mist. It was looking like an amaze dust bag. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's giving luxury, screaming luxury. I love that. And it came with a lot of goodies which I'm going ahead to show you. And then we have this gorgeous wig. This wig is super soft and it's so full, but it's not heavy at all. That's one thing I love about it. It's full, but it's not heavy. I really love it actually. And it comes pre-bleached. This unit came pre-bleached, and you can go ahead to see the construction of the wig. It comes with 4 combs inside, 4 wig combs at the sides and bottom and top, and also comes with this adjustable strap which you can decide to put on or decide to, leave it out. So this is the strap. It's in the bag. All right, so you can go ahead to put it if you want to. So I've gone ahead to place the wig on my canvas head so we can go ahead and style it. And baby, can we just have a moment for this natural edges? Like, it's really giving scalp. I really love it. Like, just look at that. And the hair is so soft. I can't even overemphasize how soft this hair is. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my hot comb on the hair just to press that backwards before I go ahead to pluck. I did go ahead to pluck just a little bit. I didn't even pluck inwards. I just plucked like where the edges start from. I didn't pluck so much. All right, so I went ahead to, hold hot comb bits before plucking. And one thing you want to go ahead to remember is you don't want to comb your edges, because it's going to change the texture of your edges, and you want to avoid that. So you want to go ahead to remove the edges before you comb. That's why you see the edges are out of the way when I'm doing the comb. Okay. So once I'm done plucking, I just went ahead to brush the edges back, and then I plucked a little bit from the edges as well, because I didn't want it to be so full and I just wanted it to look more natural. It does look natural, but I just went ahead to pluck it a little bit, and you can just see it's a little bit of different from how it came in. So you can go ahead to customize this hair how you want it. If you don't want to customize it, it's actually also fine. So now we're going to go ahead to straighten this unit. I'm just going to go ahead to pre-section the part I'm going to straighten. Then I'm going to be using the Chi Keratin Infusion. I'm going to place that all over the hair. You don't want to apply too much. I went ahead to apply too much for the first one, and I didn't even like the heat I was using for this particular section. I used 210 degree, but after a while, after like this this section, I went ahead to reduce it to 190 degree. So I used 190 degree in straightening the whole of the hair, and it actually just gave me the result I wanted, because I didn't want it to be too straight, but I still wanted it to give that, that blowout effect, and that's what I got at the end of the straightening. So you're going to see how it looks like when I'm done straightening. And one thing you want to see also, you can see how closed those tracks are, right? You can see how close it is. Like, there's literally no space. That goes to show you how full this wig is. I can't emphasize how full it is, because when I was straightening, I was like, wow, is it this full? But it doesn't feel this full because it's super soft and lightweight, but it's actually very full. So this is what it looks like when I'm done. It's giving stick press, right? Like, just look at how gorgeous that is looking. It's actually giving stick press, and I love it. So my lovelies, now it's time for the install. I've gone ahead to do my bald cap up camera. I didn't want to, go into that, but now I'm just using my alcohol and a cotton pad to clean that edges again. Where I'm going to place in my wig, I'm going to clean it again. Then I'm going to go ahead to apply some foundation to the lace, which I don't think I should, but I actually went ahead to apply some foundation to the lace of the unit, to the wig, and then I'm going to go ahead and install this baby. So for installation, I'm going to be using the Ebin Wonder lace, and for this unit I did a 2-layer. Actually, I didn't go in much with the Ebin Wonder lace because I was going to take it up right away. But one thing is, I discovered this Ebin Wonder lace actually leave a shine to my unit, so I think I'm going to stop using it. I'm not sure yet, but I think maybe in the next tutorial I'm going to stop using it and start using glue. Let me know which glue you recommend down below for me to try. I want to try the Bold, yes, Bold, but I'm not sure yet. So let me know which glue you use that you can think of that doesn't leave a shine and works pretty well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just place that unit down on where we've placed our Ebin Wonder lace spray. And maybe like this hair, the lace on it is an HD lace, in case I forget to mention or I forgot to mention earlier. Okay, don't mind my big scissors. I'm going to use that to kind of cut the ear parts, the excess lace. I couldn't find my small scissors anywhere. I don't know where it went to. I found it the next day, but like I literally searched all over while making this video and I couldn't find it. So I'm going to go ahead to blow dry that before I go ahead to tie it with the melting band, and then, you know, wait some few minutes, all right, before taking it off. It doesn't look like I waited a few minutes on camera, but I waited like 10 minutes before taking it off. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut my lace. So lovely, we're done cutting the lace, and just look at that edges. Tell me this is not giving scalp already. Like, baby, it's giving scalp. I love it. So I just went ahead to use the Ebin Wonder lace spray on a rat take home, and then just applied that on the lace that was lifting, and then I went ahead to tie it back down to just give it that time to melt and lay flat. And this is the result. I really love how this lace is just easy to install, and you know, the HD lace is HD lacing, all right? It's actually HD lacing. So I'm using my beauty blender and just going in to kind of blend my my forehead rather, my forehead where I cleaned the foundation from. I'm going to go ahead and blend that, and then I'm getting rid of that white cast that you normally have after, you know, laying your wig. And this is what it looks like. Look at that hair. Like, it's so natural, guys. I can't know, it's so natural and it's giving scalp. But yeah, that's basically it for this install. So now we're gonna go ahead and style it. So now we're done installing. The next thing is to do is obviously style the wig, and I was thinking what part works for me. I don't know, I always ask like what part works, but I found out that my right side always works. Is it my right side? I don't know, but like the side I'm going to end up with always works for me. But what do you think? Do you think this side works? I don't know, it just doesn't work for me. But yes, I'm going to go ahead to do like a C part, not really like a very, you know, mean as C part, just a regular C part to just kind of get the wig going. And we're doing a C part, side part. All right, so that's what we're going ahead to do. And then I went ahead to wax, put on the wax stick on the pack that I wanted to hot comb, and you can see I didn't put the wax stick on the front of the hair, and I also did not put the hot comb on the front of the hair because we're trying to save that edges. All right, you don't want to change the texture of the edges. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead to just clean up that part, apply my concealer, and then I'm going to use it's not a mascara wand. It looks like a mascara wand. It's not a mascara wand. It's actually a hair cover something. I can't remember the name. If I get the name, I'm going to put it down below for you. I'm just going to use that to clean up the edges, just to have the edges looking more neater. Okay, oh no, not the edges, just to have the pattern looking more neater. All right, so that's what we're going to do right now. What the hair is looking like. I actually misplaced the clips where I actually was posing well for this hairstyle, but it's still giving regardless. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I really love the outcome. I really love how, you know, it all came together at the end of the day. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if it's a wig you'll be trying out. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know everything in the comment down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I'll be sure to reply all comments. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, lovelies. And if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next week video. Bye. Mwah.